to Shoe-barb. I'm just finishing working on my project with my sandal slides. I've created a simple pattern for them, and now I am just going to be cleaning the pattern up, taking it off the shoe last, and making a template to where I can cut it out on my leather. And let me show you, this is the material that I'll be using. It's sort of it's really soft and smooth. It's almost like a blue jean color, pretty blue jean color. And I'll have to go look it up, but I'll put it in the on the screen of what type of leather this is. I want to say alligator, but I doubt it. So, but I'll put it on the screen, but I hope you can see it. But it's a pretty blue color. So let me finish cleaning up my pattern. I'm trying to do shorter videos, but I tell you, once I get lost in it, I forget to stop the video and go from there. But I'm gonna try my best to do shorter videos. And I'm going to put this pattern down on this plastic sheet protector and cut out my template. It's thin, but it'll give you a base for cutting out your pattern. I need to find like a maybe a thick it's not a poster board, but I want a stock card or something to put my patterns down on and cut it out. I want something flexible, and that's the only thing I can find that's flexible that I can manipulate on my leather once I place it down on it. And taking your pattern off the shoe last, you have to be very careful, or you will tear your pattern like I'm about to do. So I'm trying to be very careful. You just have to take your time, be patient with the tape, because it is masking tape. So, you know, if you pull it too hard, it can tear. But just a tip, when you do your pattern on your shoe last, when you tape it, just double tape. It's only, you can see how thin that is. I only use one coating of tape, and I should have did two, but I try to take my time and take it off. See, it came off pretty easy. And this is, well, this will be the right side of the pattern. And I'm just gonna place it down onto the protective sheet as close to the edge as possible, because I'm going to try to use my other side for the other side of the pattern. And the little dots I have right here, I'm going to put some like little embellishment little pearls on it, just to give it a little flair. I'm just going to write on this one right side, that way, or R for right, to let me know that it's the right right side of the pattern. So this is the pattern that I've cut out for both sides for my slide-in sandals. So I'll come back and show you how I'm cutting it out of my pattern. All right, I'll be back.